You spent at least 16 years in school. You learned algebra. You learned about photosynthesis. You learned about the French Revolution. But did anyone ever sit you down and teach you how money works, how to budget, how interest compounds, how to invest? I didn't think so. Financial literacy is deliberately absent from most education systems, and that's not by accident. A financially uneducated population is a population that borrows, overspends, stays employed, and keeps the economy running the way it was designed. Universities produce employees, not investors, not entrepreneurs, not financially free people. And by the time most graduates figure this out, they've already made expensive mistakes that take years to undo. Think about what you knew about money when you got your first salary. Nothing. Nobody taught you about tax, about SHA and NSSF deductions, about what a pension is, about the difference between gross and net pay. You found out on your first payslip, confused, alone, figuring it out in real time. We deserved better than that. The good news, financial education is available now more than ever. YouTube channels like this one, books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Psychology of Money, I Will Teach You to Be Rich, podcasts, communities. You don't need a degree in finance. You need to commit 30 minutes a week to learning about money. That's it. 30 minutes that will outperform any class you took in school. You weren't taught this, but now you're here, learning it yourself. And that is the biggest difference maker. Share this with every student you know. They deserve this information. And subscribe, because this channel is the financial education you never got in school. Follow, like, comment, and share.